how to recover unsaved Excel files. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. Firstly, in Excel, click on Files in the ribbon and then go to Open option available there. Somewhere on the open screen, you will see an option called Recover Unsaved Workbooks or something similar. Now all you have to do is click on it. Your unsaved Excel file may be in the folder that appears. If it is, then simply just double click to open the file and do remember to save it this time. If the folder does not contain your lost Excel file, close the dialog box and click an option still from the File tab in the Excel and click on the Save pane and see the Auto Recover file location. Now your lost Excel files may be there. Then navigate to that location and look for your unsaved Excel file. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.